welcome to this edition of the Billy Holloway Show. And on today's show, we've got a awesome show planned for you. We got a great surprise for you. We're going to be hearing music, and we're going to be talking to four young, upcoming gentlemen, and they are sets of brothers. So let's meet them. Here they are, totally for him.
God bless you.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Sir.
All right, gentlemen, welcome to the show today. So tell me, who do I have here?
Hey, I'm Carlos.
Carlos?
I'm Dante.
I'm Michael Harvey. And I'm Jesse Edie.
All right, so tell us about Totally For Him. How did all that come together?
Oh, man. We in the heaven hand of love.
Love is all we need.
To help your fellow man and do what you can.
Love is all we need.
I'm trying to see how I can be a better me. Love
Love is all we need.
I do believe.